Now with these pieces, what we're creating are pieces for anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine's Day, just occasions where you want to give a great gift of endearment and express your love. So it's nice to have a heart on there. And for these first pieces, I'm going to make the heart out of copper. And I found it better when working with copper to either work in a 26 gauge or a 24 gauge copper sheets. 26 is probably preferable. The 26 gauge can also be considered a 16 mil or a .016 inches. 24 gauge is a little thicker, but still easily worked with. I'm working with 24 gauge right here. I just happen to have some on hand. If I was to go and get a piece, I'd probably get 26 for this. So once you mark out the copper, the hearts, just freehand them out. And if you can go over it and over it because we're not going to worry about the lines it makes. I made these lines with a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, so you could see them, but typically I use a pencil, which just sands off easily if you make a mistake and you want, one curve a little bit larger than the other one. And then once you cut them out, you take your needle nose pliers and just go around the perimeter, the very edge, and curl that under. You want to curl under about 1/16 of an inch at the most. And there's a reason to do that is it eliminates that sharp edge, and plus it'll raise that heart off whatever surface you put it on 1/16 of an inch. So you just go all the way around the heart like I'm doing, and snip off that point, and you'll have a nice raised up heart made out of copper. And we're going to patina this copper to age it a little bit, and it gives it a really nice look. You can see all the little ones I got cut there. And I'll show you a bunch of still photos of the copper hearts and how they come out after you've curled that lip under.